Is Sanibot, an automatic vacuum cleaner. We have designed and made a vacuum cleaner which is capable to work automatically as well as it can be controlled by our phone via Bluetooth. This machine is also provided with the sanitization system at the rear end so that after vacuuming from the front side, the sanitization can be done from the rear side. Through our busy schedule of our lives, this robot we have made will be a great relief for our homes and places such as banks, ATMs, school, supermarkets, etc., where people usually gather. Working. The device we are building can work automatically as well as can be controlled manually. A toggle switch is used to switch on the device and the fan blower and to select the board of control of the device. When the switch is turned on and the automatic mode is selected, the motor shield to which the Arduino is connected gets the power. This power is given to the motors and different sensors which facilitates the movement of the device. When the sensors detect some obstacles, the information is passed to the Arduino, which instructs the motors to make suitable changes to avoid obstacles so as to continue the movement, thus the device moves itself. When the manual mode is selected, the Bluetooth module connected to the device gets activated and the movement is controlled via mobile application. Another switch is provided to switch on the sanitization operation when we desire. When the switch is turned on, the power reaches the H-bridge motor, driver module and the submersible pump is connected. The disinfectant is dispensed to the floor at equal intervals of time and is spread uniformly in the floor using a roller which is attached to the rear end of the body of the device. Proposed design. Sanibot is a revolutionary product that can be used to clean our surroundings seamlessly. It is so irritating that we have to sweep the floors after a busy day. Keep every corner clean, places beyond our reach. It is more reliable than a cleaner. The product has fundamentally avoided getting stuck, delivering a full cleaning coverage. It is a pragmatist who can perfectly adapt to any household environment. Turn on your mobile and control it as you wish. No more worries about floor cleaning and enjoy the fantastic free life and just get started. Due to COVID pandemic situation, coughing and sneezing in public or closed spaces have become a medium for the virus to spread, and thus sanitizing and keeping our surroundings hygiene has become quite a hassle. Sanibot helps us to sanitize the floors easier than the old conventional method by using automatic sprinkler system. The project we have designed will be greater relief in our busy life. This device requires less power to work and is also rechargeable, is also wireless. The main advantage is that this device can be controlled by your phone, which makes it really flexible. The future implementation in this machine will be UV rays and water cleaning system.